wearing his and whaley habits, the cues. Good morning, Mr. Rooster, cock-a-doodle-doo. We're so glad to sing you. The day is bright and new. Pack-a-doodle-doo. Each animal gets 30-45 seconds, always returning to the rooster chorus. Good morning, Mr. Cow, moo moo moo, how are you? Thanks for giving milk today, we all say thank you. Good morning, Mr. Rooster, cock-a-doodle-doo. Good morning, all my friends, it's fun to sing with you. Duck, May, dog, cat, meow meow. Here we mix in daily habits for kids, Cocomelon-style. Good morning, brush your teeth, shiny, bright, and clean. Scrub-a-dub and sparkle, show your smile so keen. Wash your face, eat your breakfast, tie your shoes, pack your bag, say goodbye. Always return to the rooster chorus in between, keeping energy up. And after counting ABCs and body movement. Good morning, let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Numbers make us happy. Learning feels alive. Good morning, sing your letters. ABC with me. Rooster crows along with us, happy as can be. Mini storytelling verses to keep attention. Good morning, little puppy, running down the lane, chasing after butterflies in the rain. Always return to rooster chorus to end. Good evening, Mr. Rooster, cock-a-doodle-doo. The sun is slowly setting, we had such fun with you. Good night to all our friends, it's time to rest and sleep. Close your eyes and snuggle, dreams are soft and deep. Cock-a-doodle